Vacation is a time to relax, refresh, and rejuvenate after a period of work or stress. One such place is Cancun, a city in southeast Mexico. Cancun is a vacation destination for Americans and many more across the world. It houses several features such as swimming resorts, ceremonial grounds, beaches, you name it. Cancun can be invariably called Mexican Las Vegas, with lots of tourists visiting at different times of the year, including visiting students. If you're looking for a vacation destination this year, then keep watching this video. It would show you the best places and hidden gems to check out on your visit. Check out the following attraction centers. Number 10. Cancun's Hotel Zone. They popularly divide Cancun into Ciudad Cancun and Cancun Island. The latter, which is also known as the Hotel Zone, is a place of residence for visitors. It embodies beaches, resorts, shopping malls, and other attractive sites. One of its most significant features is the 15-mile land with sand shaped like figure 7. There are quite several hotels lined up on that axis. Other attractions not missing in Hotel Zone are restaurants, bars, and nightclubs, and they occupy the one road that connects one hotel zone to another. Number 9. Snorkeling near Cancun. If you're enthusiastic or a lover of water wildlife, visiting the snorkeling near Cancun would be such an amazing sight you would delight in. This facility is an underwater attraction that showcases 500 sculptures of locals, Volkswagen Beetles, and large hands. As the exhibits fade or lose their beauty, they add more sculptures to spark the entire experience, giving the tourists a pleasurable, unique experience. Tourists can book a tour for as low as $30. Number 8. Temazcal Ceremony. The Temazcal ceremony is a traditional practice led by an indigenous shaman as a purification ceremony. This ritual is held in a tiny hut and in complete darkness. To take part in the ceremony, all participants are to wear only underwear or swimsuits to a sweat lodge in form of a steamy sauna heated with hot rocks and water. The shaman in charge of the ceremony pours water over the rocks, reciting several chants and calling on spirits to purify every participant at the ceremony. As the body releases sweat, participants enter an intensive meditative session enabled by the shaman's chant. History says this ceremony is an ancient practice to cleanse the body and mind. Number 7. Visit the beach. Cancun's water is an amazingly relaxing 13-mile coastal region with white sand, blue waters, and a cool breeze. The Hotel Zone's beach atmosphere is serene and soothing, but a few of them are a work of art that emphasizes the perfection vacation experience. Here they are. Playa Delfines. This is the largest beach in Cancun and the most highly recommended because hotels and resorts are not present. They call it the iconic Cancun sign. Instructors do not advise swimming in Playa Delfines Beach because its current is strong. Playa Tortugas. You can refer to the Playa Tortugas as the ideal family beach. It's safe for parents and children. Although mostly crowded, it has enjoyable drinks and seafood for your pleasure. Chacmul Beach. This is the perfect spot for water sports lovers. Sports shops are there to rent out water sports equipment to tourists to give them a swell time. Playa Forum. Playa Forum is a mix of an electric atmosphere and a retreat. It's just behind the most visited nightclub in Cancun, Coco Bongo. There are lots of bars and restaurants around it. Number 6. Shop at Mercado 28. For lovers of shopping, Mercado 28 is a fun place you should visit during your stay in Cancun. This shopping mall is beyond the regular mall. It's a market with 600 vendors who sell whatever you're looking for. Mercado 28 is a market that defines creativity and uniqueness because a good number of the products sold there are handcrafted, ranging from clothes to leather maracas, you name it. The hack to getting a good purchase is resisting the vendor's first price. There's a bus to this market from Hotel Zone, but if you use car rentals, remember to note the parking slots you're using, as there are 4 entrances to this giant flea market. Number 5. Best of Cancun's nightlife. One of the outstanding features of Cancun is its nightlife, and it has different clubs and activities to show for it. The very best of Cancun's club has the most queues, but the electric experience makes up for the wait. Here are the best clubs in Cancun. Coco Bongo. This is the most popular club in Cancun, with DJs, cover bands, acrobats, and all sorts to keep you entertained. At this club, you'll get a blend of nightclubs and a Vegas show. The City Nightclub. This club can hold a capacity of 5,000 people and features celebrity DJs like Tiesto, Fergie, and Paul Van Dyke. Mandala Beach Club. This is the home of bikini parties. This club opens its doors at 9:30 and offers great musical performances and cocktail drinks. Daddy-O. With a facility of 5 bars and 2 floors, Daddy-O offers great techno and house music, dancers, body painting, and so much more fun. Number 4. Sunset Sailing Trip. Everyone loves to see a sunset, and Mexico's Riviera Maya and Isla Mujeres, which has one of the most beautiful sunsets in the Caribbean, ensure that tourists can have beautiful times watching it. To experience this, simply book a sailing catamaran. Besides the cool breeze blowing your hair and relaxing your mind and body, most trips have an open bar and snacks to go where you can sit back and enjoy the view. Number 3. Visit Las Coloradas. Las Coloradas are pink lakes in a village named Las Coloradas. These lakes cover about 150,000 acres of land and house several species of animals. The pink water from Las Coloradas relates to a salt processing industry, standing out as a different job other than the regular fishing villagers involved in. The pink lake comes from shrimp and red plankton. Las Coloradas is a 3-hour drive from Cancun, and accommodations are available for those who choose to spend the night. Number 2. Watch a Lucha Libre show. Lucha Libre is a cultural fighting show where 2 sets of wrestlers, good and bad, use several fighting techniques and acrobatics to defeat the opponent. To win a match, throw the opponent out of the ring, and there are 3 rounds to do that. Participants in the fight wear masks to conceal their identities and are followed by drag queens and little people. The fight holds on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays at night. A show costs $12. Number 1. Birdwatching at Isla Contoy. Isla Contoy is known for its birdwatching experience. The National Park Sanctuary houses over 100 species of birds and 4 sources of sea turtles. There are several bird spots to take a picture, appreciate the wildlife, and enjoy the tropical breeze the atmosphere shows. Although there are strict rules to keep the serenity of this environment, this park is an absolute delight for tourists. There are snorkeling gears to dive into the waters.